Good morning to all of you. Today I am going to discuss a particular numerical. It is related to find the time period of a charged body which is in simple harmonic motion. And the question is here: a pendulum consisting of an insulating bob of mass small m and charge is plus q. It is hung as shown in the figure. What is the time period of the pendulum if the uniform electric field capital E is set up between the plates? So these two are the plates. Here a bob spherical body which has a charge of plus q suspended by a insulating thread like this, and there is an uniform electric field act between these two plates in the upward direction. So we need to find out the time period of this bob. Let's do it. So here between these two plates we have an electric field in the upward direction, and this bob has a particular mass of small m. As a result, there is a weight act downward direction, and there is a force which is electrostatic force act on this particular charge in upward direction. So as a result, we can able to find out the net force. So the net force should be mg minus qa, and it is mentioned here the condition, the problem, it is in simple harmonic motion. This whole system remains in a simple harmonic motion. So if it is so, if whole system is remain in a simple harmonic motion, so we know that the time period of the pendulum is twice by root over L divided by acceleration, and here L is nothing but the length of this thread. Now here in this case the acceleration is nothing but the acceleration, there will be acceleration due to gravity, small g. Now here this equation, the net force is mg minus qe, so we can able to find out the small g from here. So the net m, I mentioned here the g dash is a resultant acceleration that this particular thread will experience. Okay, this g dash, it is not the acceleration due to gravity for this bob, it is the acceleration which this thread will experience. Okay, so you can feel is something like that, like if you cut down this thread, so it will fall down with the acceleration z dash only. So it is feeling like that only. It is not like that the acceleration due to gravity, so because it is not going, it is a constant value. Okay, so here the acceleration that this thread actually experience, when you cut down, it will fall down with the acceleration of g dash only. There is a meaning, nothing else, and is equal to mg minus qe. So as a result, you can able to find out the z dash is equal to g minus q by m. So therefore the time period twice by root over L by z dash, so twice by root over L small g minus q by. Here is the solution. Thank you.